Welcome back to another vlog. Sorry, I couldn't film right now because something was going on with my phone and because my camera wasn't working. And guys, good news. I finally got my new snake hook. It is awesome. Yeah. We're going to find as many animals as we can. Any of them, at least. Let's see how many we can find. And this snake hook is way gooder. You see that? I think y'all saw that. I don't know. Oh, did y'all see it? So. My little dog right there. Oh, look, a little gecko. Remember one of those geckos? They were all around my place. Yeah. Want to be careful. Do not want to step on anything. Oh, frog right there. Hey! That's one animal. Oh my gosh. Alright. Man. Ooh. You got a spider right there. Don't know if y'all can see it. That's animal number 2. Alright. Don't know what we can find, guys, but hoping it will be something good. Oh no! They brought a dead turtle. Man, I did not even know that. Poor guy. Man. We won't stop looking. Come on, there's gotta be something good out here. Hope there is. Hey guys, and we're gonna be waiting for 10 minutes, alright? So we got 2 animals. See if we can find any more. No. What's that? Man, I wish I could really end this vlog with a good snake. Nothing. Let's see what else. Careful. See as many animals we can find in 10 minutes. So right now it's been 2 minutes and 47 seconds. So we still got plenty of time to find more animals. Dang. My damn glasses. Oh my gosh, my glasses. Oh my gosh, I thought I saw a ghost. Oh shit. Oh, sorry guys. My glasses are really bad. I need to get new ones. I can barely see. Bet y'all can too. Can you put these back together? Hold on. It'll be 1 quick minute. Okay. Gosh. What was this? Oh my gosh, I thought I heard something. Did y'all hear that, guys? Oh gosh. I wonder what was that. But, okay, good. Guys, I'm gonna have to end the vlog here. I'm sorry. I will make a remake tomorrow, alright? I promise. I will, alright? I'll see y'all all next time. And we found these 2 animals in one night. Okay? I'll see y'all on the next vlog. Bye.